Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the Wi-Fi pairing settings on your Canon TS8351a. So first, let's head over to the gear icon. Now after that, go to the device settings and scroll all the way down until you guys see other device settings. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom. As you guys can see, here we have the Wi-Fi pairing settings. Here we can basically enable or disable the pairing, so that's very good if you want to get rid of the pairing steps and you don't want to pair your Wi-Fi. You can also allow or block additional pairing, and you can also delete any paired devices with the printer. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.